Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to send mail when gentle stages. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module CRM Stage Auto Mail. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, go to configuration menu, go to stages, and I want to set for qualified. That when move into qualified stage, then should be sent mail. Display here email template. Select here stage update notification. Let's save. Now go to leads. Go to this leads. It's already in new stage. Now I want to move in qualified. And see here successfully send mail. Display here contact name, information. Mode of the stage is qualified. And regards admin. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.